How to check password on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Spotify application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account, and simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy, and then simply what you need to do is select on account. As you tap on account, you can see the username and nothing else. So this particularly shows that you cannot check your password on Spotify, and for that you'll have to go for spotify.com on your browser. But the easier way over here is simply launch any of your Google services, since you have associated your Google account with Spotify. So let's tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen on Play Store and tap on the option of manage your Google account. As you do that, it will lead us to a new page where you can simply see the option of the password manager, but for that, you'll have to select on the option of data and privacy, or rather go for security and sign in. Now scroll down to the very end, and here you have password manager, so tap on it, and as you tap on it, scroll down and you'll be able to see the Spotify application. So if you have saved it, you can simply tap on Spotify and you'll be able to see your password as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.